The mysterious truths of quantum mechanics, exploring quantum realities. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Quantum mechanics, the enigmatic framework that governs the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, challenges everything we thought we knew about reality. At this unfathomable level, the universe is not as it appears. Particles blink into existence and vanish as if obeying rules written by a cosmic magician. Picture this, a single particle existing in two places at once, as though it defies the very nature of space and time. It is the realm where the known dissolves into the possible, where the boundaries of certainty blur into a dance of probabilities. The infamous double-slit experiment unveils a truth so strange, it feels like science fiction. When we observe a particle, it behaves like a solid, tangible entity. But when unobserved, it transforms into a wave of potential, as though it exists in all possible states simultaneously. What is this unseen force that connects observation with reality itself? And then there is entanglement, a bond so deep that particles separated by vast distances communicate instantaneously, as if the fabric of the universe is woven with threads we cannot see. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, and yet, it is no mere curiosity. It is the foundation of technologies like quantum computing and encryption, a promise of a future more intricate and powerful than we dare to dream. But quantum mechanics does more than reshape technology, it reshapes our understanding of existence. It whispers to us of multiple dimensions, hidden realms, and a multiverse that stretches beyond our comprehension. Are we but one of infinite versions of reality? In the grand cosmic scale, we are stardust, the product of ancient explosions, drifting in an ocean of uncertainty. Yet, through the lens of quantum mechanics, we glimpse the profound interconnectedness of all things. Every particle, every photon, every wave is a note in a cosmic symphony, echoing the mysteries of the universe. As Carl Sagan might say, we are the universe, contemplating itself. Quantum mechanics reminds us that the closer we look at reality, the more elusive it becomes. But it is in this mystery that the beauty of the cosmos lies, a beauty that beckons us to explore, to question, and to wonder. For in the depths of the quantum world, we find not answers, but a reminder of our shared quest for understanding. A quest that unites us as we continue to unravel the threads of existence, one enigma at a time. And so, we stand at the threshold of the quantum realm, armed with curiosity in the tools of science, peering into a reality that refuses to be pinned down. It is a reality governed by probabilities, where particles are smeared across space like whispers of possibility until the act of observation collapses them into certainty. But what does it mean to observe? Are we mere spectators of the universe, or active participants shaping its unfolding story? The quantum world suggests that consciousness and reality may be deeply intertwined, though the nature of this relationship remains a tantalizing mystery. Could it be that the act of looking shapes what we see? The implications ripple through philosophy and science alike. The universe, it seems, is not a static stage but a dynamic interplay between what is and what could be, a cosmic symphony composed in real time, with each of us as contributors. And yet, for all its strangeness, quantum mechanics is profoundly practical. It underpins the technologies that connect our world, semiconductors, lasers, and the GPS systems guiding us home. The quantum revolution is not merely theoretical, it is tangible, touching our lives in ways we rarely consider. But perhaps its greatest gift is not technological, it is the way it humbles us. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains unknown. Quantum mechanics is a mirror, reflecting back the infinite complexity of the cosmos and reminding us of our place within it. As we delve deeper, we may one day unlock answers to age-old questions. What is the true nature of time? Does free will exist in a deterministic universe? And what lies beyond the observable horizon of our reality? The journey is far from over. With every experiment, every equation, every breakthrough, we are explorers charting a map with no edges. The quantum realm, with all its paradoxes and possibilities, invites us to expand not just our knowledge, but our imagination. As Carl Sagan once so beautifully expressed, somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. And perhaps it is within the heart of the quantum that we will find it, the next chapter in our shared story of discovery, written in the language of the cosmos. This is our invitation to wonder, to question, to seek. For as we gaze into the quantum depths, the universe gazes back, whispering, there is more to learn. And so, we move forward, not with certainty, but with awe. The awe of the quantum world reminds us that we are not merely observers of the cosmos, we are woven into its fabric. Each atom within us carries the story of the universe, its birth, its evolution, its endless potential. The same forces that bind the smallest particles together also orchestrate the grand celestial movements of galaxies and stars. But the quantum realm dares to ask, is this interconnectedness more than coincidence? Could it be a clue to a deeper, underlying truth, a universal framework, still hidden, that unites the chaotic dance of particles with the graceful arcs of planets and moons? Physicists call this the quest for a theory of everything, an elegant equation that might one day bridge quantum mechanics with general relativity. At present, these two titans of science exist in uneasy tension, each describing their respective domains with uncanny accuracy but refusing to reconcile. What secret does the universe guard so tightly that even our brightest minds are left mystified? Some believe the answer lies in string theory, where particles are not points but vibrating strings, their harmonics giving rise to all the forms of matter and energy we see. Others look toward the multiverse, envisioning infinite parallel realities, each with its own version of the quantum rules. And still, there are those who see the enigma as a reflection of our limitations, a frontier that will always shift, just out of reach, as our understanding evolves. Yet, this elusiveness is not a failure. It is a gift. The questions quantum mechanics raises force us to confront the most profound truths about existence itself. What is reality? Why does the universe exist? And, ultimately, what is our role within it? Each discovery in the quantum domain is like peeling back another layer of an infinite onion. And with each layer, we find not answers, but deeper mysteries. The journey does not diminish us, it expands us. It reminds us that we are participants in a cosmic puzzle, connected by the same rules that govern the flicker of photons and the vastness of spacetime. Carl Sagan once marveled that we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. In the quantum world, this idea takes on new dimensions. Our curiosity, our experiments, our thirst for understanding, they are not separate from the universe. They are the universe, unfolding itself, discovering itself, and marveling at its own existence. As we continue to probe the quantum frontier, we are not just uncovering the building blocks of the cosmos. We are uncovering what it means to be human, to seek, to wonder, and to dream of what lies beyond. The mysteries of quantum mechanics remind us that the universe is not a cold, lifeless void. It is alive with potential, shimmering with the promise of discovery, and whispering to us, always, to look closer. For in the dance of particles and waves, there lies a profound truth: the universe is as vast as our curiosity, as mysterious as our imagination, and as infinite as our capacity to dream. And so, we dream. And in dreaming, we bridge the chasm between what is known and what is yet to be revealed. The quantum world invites us to think not just about the universe as it is, but as it could be, teeming with possibilities, shaped by the interplay of chance and choice. Consider the quantum vacuum, a seething sea of energy where particles spontaneously emerge and vanish, as though reality itself breathes. Could this mysterious background, this so-called zero-point energy, hold the key to understanding the origin of everything? Could it be the birthplace of universes, where the fabric of space-time is born from fluctuations too small to imagine? The questions don't stop there. What of time itself? In the quantum realm, time seems to lose its flow, becoming a malleable dimension rather than a relentless river. Could it be that the past, present, and future coexist in a vast tapestry, woven together in ways our limited perception cannot yet grasp? These mysteries, far from disheartening, are exhilarating. They remind us that our understanding of the universe is like a ship on an endless sea. Every discovery is a new star to navigate by, yet the horizon always stretches further. And perhaps that is the greatest lesson of quantum mechanics: the universe is not static, but dynamic. It is a canvas, constantly being painted by the forces of nature and by us, its observers, its creators, its explorers. Imagine, then, what the future holds. Quantum computing promises to redefine what we can know and do, solving problems that once seemed insurmountable. Quantum teleportation teases the possibility of instantaneous connections across vast distances. And beyond these technological marvels lies the greatest potential of all, a deeper understanding of our place in this grand cosmic narrative. In every particle, in every wave, in every interaction, the universe tells its story. It is a story of emergence, of interconnectedness, of boundless creativity. And as we decode its quantum language, we are not just learning about the cosmos, we are learning about ourselves. Carl Sagan once said, "We are made of star stuff." Quantum mechanics reveals that we are also made of probabilities, of potentials, of infinite possibilities waiting to unfold. And so, the journey continues. With every experiment, every question, every step forward, we are drawn deeper into the mystery. The quantum world is not a destination but a path, a never-ending exploration of what it means to exist in a universe as strange and beautiful as this one. Let us walk this path with wonder in our hearts and curiosity as our guide. For as long as we continue to ask questions, the universe will answer. And in those answers, we will find the true essence of the cosmos, and perhaps, the true essence of ourselves. The quantum story is not just the story of particles or probabilities, it is the story of humanity, forever reaching for the stars, forever searching for meaning in the infinite. As we search for meaning in the infinite, we come to realize that the quantum story is not only about the cosmos outside of us but also the universe within. For the quantum rules that govern the subatomic particles are the same rules that shape the neurons firing in our brains, the cells dividing in our bodies, and the thoughts sparking in our minds. This connection suggests something profound, that the observer and the observed are not separate. We are not mere spectators in the theater of existence, we are participants in its unfolding drama. When we measure, when we question, when we ponder, we alter the course of reality itself. What might this mean for the great philosophical questions that have haunted humanity for millennia? Do we live in a predetermined universe, where every outcome is etched in the fabric of spacetime? Or does the quantum uncertainty at the heart of existence offer a glimmer of free will, a chance for us to shape our own destinies? Quantum mechanics doesn't give us easy answers. Instead, it challenges us to rethink the very foundations of what we believe to be true. Reality, it seems, is not a single, immutable story but a branching web of possibilities, a multiverse where every choice spawns new pathways, new futures. And if this is true, then our actions resonate far beyond what we can see. Every decision, every moment of curiosity, every act of wonder sends ripples through the quantum fabric, connecting us to the vast and mysterious whole. It is humbling to think that, in this dance of particles and probabilities, we are both infinitesimally small and infinitely significant. The atoms that form our bodies are ancient, forged in the hearts of long-dead stars. Yet here we are, conscious beings capable of looking back at the universe that made us and daring to ask why. In this act of questioning, we find a paradox: the more we uncover about the quantum world, the more we realize how much we do not know. But this is not a cause for despair, it is a call to adventure. The unknown is not a void, it is a frontier, waiting to be explored. The story of quantum mechanics is still being written. New experiments, new technologies, and new ideas will continue to expand the boundaries of what we understand. And with each breakthrough, we will be reminded of the same truth, that the universe is vast, mysterious, and deeply interconnected. Carl Sagan often spoke of the pale blue dot, our fragile planet suspended in the vastness of space. In the quantum realm, we find another perspective, a world where every particle is a microcosm of the universe, where the smallest and the largest are linked in ways we are only beginning to understand. This is the legacy of quantum mechanics, to remind us of our place in the cosmos, to inspire us to keep questioning, and to ignite the flame of wonder that drives us forward. For as long as there are mysteries to uncover, humanity will continue to reach out, to explore, to dream. And in the quantum depths of existence, we will find not just the secrets of the universe, but the unending beauty of the journey itself. As the journey continues, quantum mechanics whispers a deeper truth, that we, too, are an integral part of this unfolding cosmic symphony. The dance of particles and waves that defines the quantum world mirrors the interconnectedness of all things, from the tiniest quarks to the vast, spinning galaxies. In this web of interrelation, we glimpse the profound idea that separateness is an illusion. The entangled particles that communicate instantaneously across great distances remind us that the universe does not exist in isolated pieces, it is a single, unified whole. We are not apart from the cosmos, we are the cosmos, shaped by the same forces, governed by the same laws, and driven by the same mysteries. This realization challenges us to expand our perspective, to think beyond the boundaries of the familiar. What if the universe is not simply a place we inhabit but a living process in which we participate? What if our thoughts, our dreams, and our actions resonate through the quantum field, contributing to the infinite possibilities of existence? The quantum world invites us to approach reality not as something to be conquered, but as something to be understood, nurtured, and cherished. It reminds us that the universe is not static or mechanical, it is dynamic, alive with creativity, and forever in flux. Even as we uncover its secrets, the quantum realm humbles us with its paradoxes. Light behaves both as a wave and a particle, depending on how we observe it. Particles follow no predictable paths, yet their probabilities are described with mathematical precision. This duality, this coexistence of opposites, invites us to embrace uncertainty, not as a flaw, but as a feature of reality itself. Uncertainty is the source of possibility. It is the space in which creativity thrives and the seed from which new ideas, new discoveries, and new worlds are born. In the quantum universe, we find a reflection of ourselves, not as fixed beings, but as ever-changing, ever-evolving participants in a grand experiment. And as we gaze into this quantum mirror, we begin to see the outlines of a greater truth, that the cosmos is not merely a collection of atoms and particles, but a story of emergence, complexity, and interconnectedness. It is a story that stretches from the tiniest flicker of quantum fluctuations to the grand arc of galactic evolution. And within that story lies our own chapter, written in the stardust from which we are made. Carl Sagan once asked, "Who are we, if not explorers of the universe?" Quantum mechanics gives us an answer: we are the universe exploring itself, the conscious manifestation of its endless curiosity. As we continue to unravel the quantum mysteries, let us carry with us a sense of wonder, a reverence for the unknown, and a profound gratitude for the privilege of being part of this cosmic journey. For in every question we ask, in every answer we seek, we honor the boundless creativity of existence itself. The quantum realm is not the end of our journey, it is the beginning. A gateway to deeper understanding, a bridge to unimaginable futures, and a reminder that, in this vast and mysterious universe, the greatest discoveries lie ahead. And so, with courage and curiosity, we move forward, step by step, question by question, into the infinite possibilities of what is yet to come. As we step forward into the boundless horizons of discovery, the quantum realm beckons us not only to understand but to reimagine the very fabric of existence. Each revelation is an invitation to think differently, to challenge the limits of what we perceive as possible, and to embrace the mystery that surrounds us. Consider the implications of quantum superposition, the idea that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. This concept, so alien to our everyday experience, forces us to question the linear, deterministic view of reality. If the universe itself is a tapestry of probabilities, could our own lives, too, be threads of potential, woven together by choices yet to be made? Quantum entanglement, that a spooky action that Einstein once doubted, reveals a universe where distance is an illusion. Particles remain connected, instantaneously sharing information no matter how far apart they are. This phenomenon suggests that the cosmos is not a vast, disconnected expanse but a deeply interconnected whole, where every point is linked to every other. What if this interconnectedness extends beyond particles, beyond physics, to the very essence of existence? What if our thoughts, our actions, and even our dreams ripple across this quantum web, influencing not just our world but realities beyond our comprehension? These questions transcend the boundaries of science, touching on philosophy, art, and spirituality. The quantum world does not separate disciplines, it unites them, offering a vision of the universe that is both scientific and poetic, rational and deeply mysterious. And as we explore, we are reminded of our responsibility. The power of quantum mechanics has already reshaped our technology and our understanding, but with this power comes the need for wisdom. The universe has gifted us with the tools to unravel its deepest secrets. How will we use them? Will we harness the potential of quantum computing to solve humanity's greatest challenges, curing diseases, combating climate change, and unlocking new sources of energy? Will we use quantum encryption to create a world where information flows securely, fostering trust in an age of uncertainty? Or will we look inward, using the lessons of the quantum realm to deepen our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos? For in the end, the greatest discovery may not lie in the equations we solve or the technologies we build but in the way we see ourselves, as integral parts of a vast, interconnected universe, filled with potential and purpose. Carl Sagan once spoke of the pale blue dot, a reminder of our fragility and unity as inhabitants of Earth. The quantum realm offers another perspective, that even in our smallest actions, our most fleeting thoughts, we are part of a cosmic story far greater than ourselves. So let us embrace the unknown with wonder and humility. Let us continue to question, to explore, to dream. For as we peer into the quantum depths, we do not merely uncover the nature of reality, we uncover the boundless potential of the human spirit. And as we journey onward, let us remember, the universe is vast, mysterious, and infinite in its beauty. And so, too, are we. As we embrace the infinite beauty of the cosmos and our connection to it, we are reminded that every question we ask and every discovery we make is a reflection of our shared journey. The quantum realm, with its paradoxes and possibilities, is not just a field of study, it is a mirror, revealing the very nature of curiosity and imagination that defines us as a species. In this mirror, we see the extraordinary capacity of the human mind to transcend boundaries. We see the mathematicians, physicists, and dreamers who dared to envision a reality where particles behave like waves, where time can stretch and compress, and where the fabric of space is anything but fixed. We see the generations of thinkers who stood on the edge of the unknown and, despite their uncertainty, leaped forward. This spirit of exploration is woven into the fabric of who we are. From the moment our ancestors first looked up at the stars, we have been captivated by the questions they inspire. Why are we here? What is the nature of the universe? And what lies beyond the limits of our perception? Quantum mechanics is a continuation of that age-old quest, a quest that has brought us closer to understanding the universe, not as a static collection of objects, but as a vibrant, evolving system, alive with energy and potential. And yet, as much as we have uncovered, the quantum realm suggests there will always be more to learn. For every mystery solved, a dozen new ones emerge. It is a humbling reminder that the universe is not something to be conquered or fully understood but something to be in awe of, a source of endless wonder and discovery. This humility does not diminish us, it elevates us. It connects us to the cosmos in a way that is both intimate and profound. For in the quantum world, we find a truth that transcends science: the universe is not separate from us, it is within us, around us, and inextricably part of us. Carl Sagan once said, "For small creatures such as we, the vastness is bearable only through love." In the quantum realm, we see a kind of cosmic love, a connection that binds all things, from the tiniest particles to the grandest galaxies. It is a reminder that we are never alone in our search for meaning, for every particle, every wave, every flicker of existence is part of the same universal story. And so, as we continue to explore the quantum frontier, let us carry with us the spirit of wonder that has always guided humanity. Let us remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is a step toward understanding not just the universe but ourselves. For the quantum realm is more than a mystery to solve, it is a journey to be lived, a story to be told, and a testament to the boundless potential of human curiosity. And as we gaze into the infinite depths of the cosmos, we are reminded of this simple, profound truth: we are not merely observers of the universe, we are participants in its grand unfolding, co-authors of its story, and living expressions of its endless creativity. The journey continues, and the universe awaits. The universe awaits, vast and full of possibilities, inviting us to step further into its mysteries. It speaks to us through the language of quantum mechanics, a language that challenges our intuition but ignites our imagination. Each particle, each wave, and each interaction tells a part of a grand, unfolding narrative, a story that stretches across eons, weaving together the threads of existence into a tapestry too immense for us to fully comprehend. And yet, even in its immensity, the quantum realm whispers something deeply personal. It tells us that we matter, not in the sense of mass or material, but in the sense that we are intrinsic to the cosmic equation. Our curiosity, our questions, and our capacity to dream are as much a part of the universe as the stars, the galaxies, and the quantum fields that underpin them all. This interconnectedness reminds us that the boundaries we perceive, between ourselves and others, between the observer and the observed, between the known and the unknown, are constructs, dissolving when viewed through the lens of quantum mechanics. At the deepest level, everything is entangled, bound together by forces that transcend distance and time. In this way, the quantum world teaches us not only about particles and probabilities but also about connection, unity, and the profound truth that we are all part of something greater than ourselves. It challenges us to see beyond the surface of reality and to embrace the infinite possibilities that lie beneath. Imagine, for a moment, the future that this understanding could create. A world where quantum computing unlocks solutions to the most pressing challenges of our time. A world where quantum communication fosters security and trust in a deeply interconnected global society. A world where our understanding of the quantum universe inspires not only scientific advancements but a renewed sense of wonder and purpose. This is the promise of the quantum revolution, not just new technologies or deeper knowledge, but a shift in how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It is a reminder that the boundaries of what we can achieve are defined only by the limits of our imagination. Carl Sagan often spoke of the cosmic perspective, the idea that seeing ourselves as part of the vast universe humbles us but also uplifts us. The quantum realm offers a similar perspective. It reminds us that we are not isolated beings, adrift in a cold, indifferent cosmos. We are part of the universe's very fabric, participants in its grand story, and co-creators of its future. So let us continue this journey with open hearts and minds. Let us marvel at the mysteries we have yet to uncover, knowing that each step forward brings us closer to understanding the infinite. Let us honor the interconnectedness of all things, recognizing that our actions, no matter how small, ripple across the quantum field and beyond. And above all, let us never stop asking questions. For as long as we are curious, as long as we seek to know, the universe will continue to reveal its secrets. In the end, the quantum world reminds us of a truth as profound as it is beautiful, that we are explorers in an infinite cosmos, bound by its mysteries and guided by its light. And as we journey onward, we carry with us the greatest gift of all, the knowledge that we are part of something vast, timeless, and filled with wonder. The story of the universe is still being written. And we are its authors, its witnesses, and its voice. Let us write it well. Let us write it well, for the story of the universe is not only etched in the stars but in the choices we make, the questions we ask, and the courage we show in seeking the unknown. Every discovery adds a new chapter to this cosmic epic, a testament to the boundless potential of our curiosity and imagination. The quantum realm, though microscopic in scale, has taught us lessons that ripple through the macroscopic world. It has shown us that uncertainty is not a flaw but a foundation, a space where creativity, innovation, and possibility thrive. It has revealed that the universe is a living process, dynamic and ever-changing, with each moment brimming with potential. And perhaps most importantly, it has taught us to see the universe not as something external and apart from us but as an integral part of who we are. The atoms that make up our bodies, the energy that fuels our minds, the thoughts that spark our dreams, all of it is woven from the same quantum threads that form the stars and galaxies. This realization carries with it a profound responsibility. If we are part of the universe, then our actions matter on a cosmic scale. Every act of kindness, every pursuit of knowledge, every effort to better ourselves and our world is a contribution to the unfolding story of existence. It also challenges us to think differently about the future. The quantum technologies we are now developing, computers that can solve problems beyond the reach of classical machines, sensors that can measure the imperceptible, networks that can transmit information with absolute security, are not just tools. They are manifestations of our ability to harness the universe's fundamental laws for the betterment of humanity. But the quantum journey is not just about solving practical problems or building new technologies. It is about something deeper, a quest to understand our place in the cosmos and the nature of reality itself. What does it mean to exist in a universe where particles can be in two places at once, where time and space are fluid, and where the act of observation can shape the outcome of events? These questions may not have easy answers, but they remind us of why we explore, not just to know, but to wonder, not just to build, but to imagine. For in the quantum mysteries, we find reflections of ourselves, our hopes, our fears, our infinite capacity to dream. Carl Sagan once said, "Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known." That something may lie within the depths of a black hole, in the vibrations of a quantum string, or in the endless possibilities of the multiverse. Or it may lie within us, in the connections we form, the ideas we share, and the understanding we build together. The universe is not finished. It is a work in progress, and we are part of its unfolding. With every question we ask, every mystery we unravel, and every wonder we embrace, we contribute to its ongoing creation. So let us move forward with awe and determination. Let us celebrate the unknown as an invitation to explore, to create, and to dream. For in the quantum depths of reality, we are reminded of the most profound truth of all, that the universe, in all its complexity and wonder, is alive within us. And as we reach for the stars, we are not just searching for answers, we are becoming the questions. Together, we are the voice of the cosmos, echoing across time and space, writing the next chapter of this extraordinary story. The universe is waiting. Let us answer its call. Let us answer its call, not with hesitation, but with the courage born of curiosity and the wonder that defines us as explorers of existence. The universe, in all its vastness, whispers to us through every star, every particle, every ripple of energy coursing through the cosmos. It is an invitation, a cosmic beckoning to understand, to connect, and to create. As we step further into the quantum frontier, we find ourselves poised on the edge of a profound realization: the universe is not a distant, indifferent entity. It is a living narrative, one in which we are both characters and co-authors. Every choice we make, every discovery we pursue, is a brushstroke on the ever-expanding canvas of reality. The quantum world reminds us that nothing is truly isolated. Particles that share no physical proximity remain inexplicably linked, bound by the mysterious threads of entanglement. If such phenomena exist at the foundation of reality, might it also be true on a grander scale? Might we, too, be inextricably connected, to one another, to the planet, to the cosmos itself? This interconnectedness offers a vision of profound unity, a reminder that we are part of a whole far greater than ourselves. And within this unity lies a challenge, to act not just as individuals, but as stewards of the cosmic story. The choices we make today ripple through the universe of tomorrow. How we treat our planet, how we care for one another, how we choose to seek knowledge or turn away from it, these are not trivial matters. They are the quantum threads of our collective future, woven into the fabric of reality with every passing moment. But the quantum realm also offers hope. It tells us that uncertainty is not a barrier but a beginning. That in every question lies the seed of possibility, and in every mystery, a chance to grow. The unknown is not something to fear, it is a horizon to move toward, a reminder that the story of the universe is still being written. And so, we continue. With every experiment, every observation, and every breakthrough, we push the boundaries of what is possible. We unlock the secrets of quantum computing, where problems that once seemed insurmountable are solved in moments. We explore quantum communication, where information travels securely, faster than we once believed possible. We dream of technologies and ideas that have yet to be imagined, knowing that the quantum universe holds possibilities beyond our wildest aspirations. Yet even as we look outward, we must also look inward. The quantum realm is not just about particles and forces, it is about perspective. It challenges us to see ourselves as both infinitesimally small and infinitely significant, as fleeting moments in time and eternal contributors to the universe's unfolding story. Carl Sagan often spoke of humanity's place in the cosmos as a speck of dust in the grand celestial ocean. But he also celebrated our capacity to reflect, to wonder, and to dream. The quantum world amplifies that vision, reminding us that even the smallest acts of curiosity, an experiment, a question, a single observation, can reshape our understanding of reality. As we gaze into the infinite depths of the quantum realm, let us carry with us the knowledge that we are not just observers of the universe but participants in its becoming. We are the universe's way of knowing itself, its voice, its dreamers. And as we continue this journey, let us never lose sight of the wonder that brought us here. For in the quantum mysteries, in the vastness of space and the intimacy of particles, we find not just the universe, but ourselves, a reflection of endless potential, boundless creativity, and infinite connection. The cosmos calls. And with each step forward, we answer, knowing that the journey is as endless and as beautiful as the universe itself. As we continue to answer the cosmos call, we are reminded that every step forward is both a discovery and a reflection, a realization that the universe's mysteries are as much about understanding the external as they are about unveiling the internal. The quantum realm is not merely a scientific frontier, it is a mirror that reveals our potential, our unity, and our place within the grand tapestry of existence. Through the lens of quantum mechanics, we are learning to embrace duality and paradox as intrinsic parts of reality. The universe is both deterministic and probabilistic, structured and chaotic, finite in its observable dimensions yet infinite in its possibilities. This duality is not a contradiction, it is a celebration of the complexity and beauty of existence. The quantum world teaches us that the act of observing changes what is observed. This principle doesn't just apply to particles, it applies to us as individuals and as a species. The way we perceive the universe, the questions we ask, and the answers we seek all shape the future we create. In this sense, we are not just explorers, we are co-creators, actively participating in the evolution of reality. Imagine the ripples of impact that this realization could have, not just on science, but on how we live our lives. What if we approached every decision, every interaction, with the knowledge that we are shaping not just our own reality, but the collective story of humanity? What if we saw every connection, every collaboration, as an expression of the entanglement that unites us all? This perspective could inspire a new era of creativity, compassion, and collaboration. It challenges us to think beyond ourselves, to act not as isolated beings but as interconnected parts of a greater whole. It reminds us that the boundaries we perceive, between people, between nations, between disciplines, are as fluid and flexible as the quantum fields themselves. And as we venture further into the quantum frontier, we are beginning to glimpse the profound possibilities that lie ahead. Quantum technologies have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of health, energy, and communication. They offer solutions to challenges that once seemed insurmountable, from decoding the complexities of the human brain to unlocking sustainable sources of power. But perhaps the greatest gift of the quantum world is not the technologies it inspires but the perspective it provides. It reminds us that uncertainty is not a limitation, it is a canvas for creativity. That interconnectedness is not an abstract concept, it is the foundation of existence. And that every question we ask, no matter how small, is a step toward uncovering the infinite. Carl Sagan once said, "The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the universe to know itself." In the quantum realm, we see this truth come alive. The particles that form us were born in the hearts of ancient stars, and the energy that animates us is the same energy that drives the cosmos. In every moment, we are the universe experiencing itself, learning, growing, and dreaming. And so, we press forward, not just as scientists or thinkers, but as storytellers, adding our voices to the grand narrative of existence. We explore not out of necessity, but out of a profound desire to understand, to connect, and to be part of something greater than ourselves. The quantum realm stretches before us, infinite and full of wonder. It is not a destination but a journey that challenges us to expand our horizons, to embrace the unknown, and to recognize the beauty in every question. As we stand on the precipice of this vast frontier, let us carry with us the spirit of exploration that has defined humanity since the dawn of time. Let us move forward with curiosity, humility, and hope, knowing that the universe is not separate from us but a reflection of our shared potential. The journey is endless, but so is the wonder. The universe is calling, and with every step, every discovery, every dream, we answer, together. Together, we venture onward, propelled by the same boundless curiosity that lit the first fires of understanding in our ancestors. In the face of the infinite, we are not daunted, we are inspired. The quantum realm, with its paradoxes and mysteries, is a reflection of our own complexity and potential, a testament to the power of inquiry and the courage to imagine beyond the limits of the known. Every question we ask is a spark, a momentary flicker of light in the vast darkness of the unknown. But these sparks, when woven together, illuminate the path forward. Each discovery, no matter how small, adds to the collective story of humanity's quest to understand the cosmos and our place within it. In this quest, we find unity. For the laws of quantum mechanics do not recognize the artificial boundaries we draw between nations, cultures, or individuals. The universe operates as a single, interconnected system, reminding us that our differences are dwarfed by what we share, the same stardust origins, the same fundamental particles, the same capacity to wonder and dream. This unity carries with it a profound responsibility. The choices we make as individuals and as a species ripple outward, shaping the future not just of our planet but of the universe itself. The quantum principle of entanglement teaches us that no action exists in isolation, every interaction leaves a mark, every decision matters. What legacy will we leave in this vast cosmic story? Will we use the gifts of quantum knowledge to build a more just, sustainable, and enlightened world? Will we rise to the challenge of our interconnectedness, recognizing that the well-being of one is tied to the well-being of all? The answers lie not in the distant stars but in our hearts, in our capacity to embrace the unknown with courage and creativity. For as much as the universe shapes us, we shape it in return. Our questions, our dreams, and our actions are threads in the ever-evolving fabric of reality. Imagine the future we could create, a world where quantum technologies enable breakthroughs in medicine, where diseases are treated with precision at the atomic level. A world where energy flows cleanly and abundantly, powered by quantum solutions to harness the forces of nature. A world where communication transcends physical boundaries, connecting minds and hearts in ways once thought impossible. But beyond these technological marvels lies something even greater, a shift in perspective, a recognition that we are part of a vast and wondrous whole. The quantum realm reminds us that every particle is connected, every wave is part of a larger pattern, and every moment is an opportunity to create, to learn, and to grow. Carl Sagan's words echo through time, we are a way for the universe to know itself. And as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the quantum, we honor that truth. We become not just observers of the cosmos, but participants in its unfolding story, voices in its infinite symphony. The journey ahead will not be without challenges. There will be moments of uncertainty, of doubt, and of failure. But these are not obstacles, they are part of the process. For just as the quantum world is built on probabilities and potentials, so too is our progress shaped by exploration, experimentation, and perseverance. And so, we move forward, step by step, question by question, into the vast unknown. The universe is waiting, not with answers, but with possibilities. It invites us to dream bigger, to reach further, to see beyond the limits of what is and imagine what could be. Together, we answer the call, knowing that the journey itself is the greatest discovery of all. For in the quantum depths, in the light of distant stars, and in the boundless potential of our shared humanity, we find a truth as profound as it is beautiful, that we are the universe, alive and awake, dreaming of itself. The story continues. Let us write it with wonder. Let us write it with hope. Let us write it with love. Let us write it with love, for love is not merely an emotion, it is an expression of connection, the binding force that reflects the very fabric of the universe. In the quantum world, we see this principle at work, particles entangled across the void, their fates intertwined in a dance that defies distance and time. Love, too, is a kind of entanglement, a recognition that we are not alone, that we are linked to one another and to the cosmos in ways that transcend understanding. As we continue to explore the quantum realm, we begin to realize that its mysteries are not obstacles but opportunities. The uncertainty that defines the behavior of particles is not a flaw in the universe, it is the source of its creativity. Without uncertainty, there would be no room for possibility, no space for innovation, no chance for life itself to emerge. In this way, the quantum universe reflects our own potential. We, too, are beings of uncertainty, shaped by choices not yet made, defined not by what we are but by what we can become. Every moment of doubt, every question left unanswered, is an opening, a gateway to something new, something extraordinary. This is the essence of the human spirit, to stand at the edge of the unknown and reach out, to imagine futures that have never been and bring them into being. The universe has given us the gift of consciousness, a spark of awareness that allows us to wonder, to dream, and to create. What greater responsibility could we have than to use this gift wisely, to shape a reality that reflects the beauty and interconnectedness we see in the cosmos? As we dream of the future, we must also care for the present. The same quantum principles that connect particles across space remind us of our connection to each other and to the Earth. Our planet, fragile and irreplaceable, is the cradle of all we know, a pale blue dot suspended in the vastness of space. Protecting it is not just an obligation, it is an act of love, a recognition of our shared destiny. Carl Sagan once called Earth the only home we've ever known. Quantum mechanics expands that perspective, showing us that this home is part of a larger, boundless system, a universe where every particle, every wave, and every moment is connected. To care for our world is to honor that connection, to see the universe not as something separate but as an extension of ourselves. In this vision, the future shines with possibility. Imagine a civilization that has embraced the principles of the quantum world, not just as tools for technology, but as a guide for living. A world where collaboration replaces division, where creativity flourishes in the face of uncertainty, and where the interconnectedness of all things inspires compassion and understanding. This is not a distant dream, it is a choice we can make. The same curiosity that drives us to explore the quantum realm can drive us to create a better world. The same creativity that unlocks the secrets of particles can unlock solutions to our greatest challenges. And the same wonder that propels us to ask why can inspire us to ask how we can live in harmony with each other, with our planet, and with the cosmos. The quantum journey is far from over. It is an endless frontier, a boundless horizon that calls us to keep moving forward. But as we explore, let us not forget what we bring with us, our humanity, our hope, and our love. For in the end, the universe is not just a collection of particles or equations. It is a story of emergence, of possibility, of infinite connection. And we are part of that story, writing its next chapter with every step we take. The universe is waiting. The future is calling. And together, with wonder as our guide and love as our compass, we will answer. And so, we continue to answer, driven by a profound sense of purpose and belonging. The universe, vast and mysterious, calls not for mastery but for partnership, for an understanding that we are stewards of its wonders, participants in its unfolding, and caretakers of its fragile beauty. Each discovery we make, each insight we glean, is a thread in the intricate web of existence. These threads, when woven together, form a tapestry that tells the story of our shared journey, a story not just of science and exploration but of meaning, connection, and hope. Quantum mechanics, with its paradoxes and probabilities, teaches us to embrace the unknown not with fear, but with curiosity. It reminds us that uncertainty is not the absence of truth but the space where truth begins to emerge. It is in this uncertainty that we find freedom, the freedom to imagine, to create, and to shape the future. Imagine what lies ahead. A world where the lessons of the quantum realm inspire not just new technologies but new ways of thinking. A world where our understanding of interconnectedness fosters a deeper respect for one another and for the planet we share. A world where the boundaries between science, art, and philosophy dissolve, allowing us to see the universe not as a series of isolated facts but as a living, breathing whole. This is the promise of the quantum perspective, to awaken us to the infinite possibilities that exist not just in the cosmos, but within ourselves. For as much as we are explorers of the universe, we are also explorers of the human spirit. The questions we ask about the nature of reality are, at their core, questions about who we are, where we come from, and where we are going. Carl Sagan once said, "We make our world significant by the courage of our questions and the depth of our answers." The quantum realm challenges us to ask the deepest, most daring questions we can imagine, questions about the origins of the universe, the nature of time, and the ultimate meaning of existence. But it also invites us to look inward, to reflect on how our actions shape the world around us and the legacy we leave for those who come after. As we venture deeper into the mysteries of the quantum, let us carry with us a sense of wonder that transcends the boundaries of science. Let us remember that the pursuit of knowledge is not just about finding answers but about nurturing the curiosity and creativity that make us human. Let us see the universe not as something to conquer but as something to cherish, a source of inspiration, a partner in discovery, and a reflection of our own boundless potential. The journey we are on is one without end, for the universe is infinite in its complexity and beauty. Every step we take, every question we ask, brings us closer to understanding not just the cosmos, but ourselves. And in that understanding, we find a profound truth, that we are not separate from the universe, but an inseparable part of its story. The quantum realm reminds us that even the smallest particles can hold the greatest mysteries, that even the tiniest sparks can light the darkest skies. It shows us that we are all connected, bound together by forces that transcend space and time. And it calls us to honor that connection by living with purpose, with compassion, and with a deep reverence for the interconnected web of existence. The universe is calling, as it always has, and always will. It invites us to dream, to explore, and to create. And as we step into the unknown, we do so with the knowledge that the story of the cosmos is also our story, a story that will continue to unfold, as long as there are hearts to wonder and minds to dream. Let us move forward together, with love for the journey, gratitude for the mysteries, and hope for the infinite possibilities that await. The universe is within us, around us, and beyond us. And as we reach for the stars, we carry with us the most profound truth of all, that in exploring the cosmos, we are discovering ourselves. And so, the journey stretches endlessly before us, like the stars scattered across the vast expanse of space, a reminder that the quest to understand the universe is as infinite as the universe itself. Each question answered opens the door to countless more, each discovery a stepping stone to a future that lies just beyond the horizon of our imagination. In this cosmic dance, we are both observers and participants, both creators and creations. The quantum realm, with its dualities and uncertainties, reflects the dual nature of our existence, fragile yet resilient, small yet significant, finite yet connected to the infinite. This paradox is not a contradiction but a truth to be embraced. It is in our smallness that we find humility, and in our connection to the vast cosmos that we find meaning. The particles that compose us, those ancient remnants of stars, are the same particles that form the galaxies, the planets, and the light that travels billions of years to reach us. And in this shared origin lies the foundation of a profound unity, a reminder that everything we see, everything we are, is part of the same unfolding story. It is a story that began with a flash of energy, a burst of creation, and continues to this moment, this fleeting, extraordinary moment where we stand on the brink of understanding. But understanding is not the end, it is the beginning. For with every revelation comes the responsibility to act, to care, and to build a future worthy of the universe that gave rise to us. Quantum mechanics has shown us that reality is not fixed but shaped by interaction, by connection, by observation. This is a powerful truth, one that calls us to consider the ways in which we shape the reality of our world. The same principles that govern the quantum realm, the interplay of forces, the balance of probabilities, the entanglement of seemingly separate entities, apply to our lives, our societies, and our planet. We are entangled with one another, bound together by shared dreams, shared challenges, and a shared destiny. As we peer into the depths of the quantum world, we are reminded that the future is not something that happens to us, it is something we create. The uncertainties we face are opportunities, the mysteries we encounter are invitations, and the vastness of the unknown is a canvas upon which we can paint a vision of hope, wonder, and possibility. Carl Sagan often spoke of the power of perspective, the way that seeing ourselves as part of the greater cosmos can inspire both humility and a renewed sense of purpose. The quantum realm offers a similar gift, a perspective that transcends boundaries, unites opposites, and reminds us that the smallest things often hold the greatest truths. Imagine what lies ahead. A future where quantum technologies help us solve the most profound mysteries of existence. A future where our understanding of entanglement inspires new ways of living, working, and connecting. A future where the lessons of the quantum world teach us to embrace uncertainty, to celebrate diversity, and to cherish the fragile beauty of our planet. This is not a distant dream, it is a choice. A choice to see the universe not as something separate, but as something we are deeply and inextricably part of. A choice to act with wisdom, compassion, and courage, knowing that our actions ripple outward in ways we cannot always see. The universe is calling us to rise to this moment, to step into our role as stewards of its mysteries and guardians of its beauty. It invites us to dream bigger, to reach further, and to create a legacy that reflects the infinite potential within us. As we move forward, let us carry with us the lessons of the quantum realm, that uncertainty is a source of possibility, that connection is the foundation of existence, and that even the smallest actions can shape the course of reality. The journey continues, and the universe awaits. Let us step into the unknown with wonder in our hearts, guided by the light of curiosity and the courage to dream. For in exploring the cosmos, we are not just searching for answers, we are discovering ourselves, and in that discovery, we find the greatest truth of all, that we are the universe, alive with possibility, and destined to explore forever. Forever, the journey unfolds, a timeless odyssey through the mysteries of existence. The universe, infinite in scale yet intimate in its connection to us, becomes our partner in exploration. It reveals itself layer by layer, whispering secrets through the behavior of particles, the dance of galaxies, and the silent glow of ancient starlight. In this partnership, we find not just knowledge but wisdom. We learn that the smallest events, a photon choosing a path, an electron dancing between states, hold the keys to the grandest truths. We realize that in the intricate workings of the quantum realm lies a message: the universe thrives on balance, on connection, and on the creative tension between chaos and order. And as we uncover these truths, we are reminded that our journey is more than a pursuit of facts. It is a quest for meaning. Each step forward, each new discovery, expands not just our understanding of the cosmos but our understanding of ourselves. For in the quantum world, we see a reflection of our own complexity and potential, our ability to shape reality, to connect across boundaries, and to thrive in uncertainty. This understanding is both humbling and empowering. It reminds us that while we are small in the face of the infinite, we are also extraordinary. We are the universe, conscious and curious, capable of dreaming worlds into being. The quantum realm reveals that the act of observation shapes what is observed, a profound reminder that our actions, our choices, and our dreams matter. What will we do with this knowledge? How will we shape the future that stretches before us, vast and full of possibilities? The answers lie in our hands. The quantum universe invites us to embrace our role as co-creators of existence, to act with intention and imagination, and to build a world that reflects the beauty, interconnectedness, and boundless potential we see in the cosmos. Imagine a future where the lessons of the quantum realm inspire not just new technologies but new ways of thinking and being. A future where collaboration replaces division, where curiosity drives progress, and where the interconnectedness of all things is celebrated. Imagine a world where we harness the power of quantum mechanics to heal the planet, to solve humanity's greatest challenges, and to unlock the full potential of our shared existence. This is not a distant dream, it is a possibility, a path waiting to be walked. And the first step begins with wonder, the courage to ask questions, the humility to embrace uncertainty, and the determination to explore the unknown. Carl Sagan's words resonate as a beacon for this journey. For small creatures such as we, the vastness is bearable only through love. Love, for knowledge, for each other, and for the universe that created us, becomes our guiding principle. It reminds us that exploration is not just about seeking answers but about deepening our connection to the cosmos and to one another. As we continue this journey, let us remember that the universe is not a distant, unreachable expanse. It is here, within us and around us, waiting to be understood, cherished, and celebrated. The quantum mysteries, the starlit skies, and the bonds we share, all of it is part of the same extraordinary story. And as we write the next chapter of that story, let us do so with wonder, with hope, and with love. For the universe is calling us to dream, to discover, and to create. It is calling us to embrace our role as stewards of its beauty and as participants in its unfolding. The journey will never end, for the mysteries of the cosmos are infinite. But in every moment, we move closer to understanding, not just the universe, but ourselves. Together, we are explorers of the infinite, dreamers of the impossible, and creators of a future as boundless as the cosmos itself. The universe is waiting. Let us continue, forever reaching, forever dreaming, forever answering the call. Forever answering the call, we step into the vast expanse of what is yet to be known, guided by the light of curiosity and the spark of imagination. Each question we pose to the universe is a bridge between what we understand and what remains a mystery. And with every answer, the cosmos reveals itself not as a static truth but as an ever-changing, living phenomenon, one in which we are active participants. The quantum realm, with its dualities and paradoxes, teaches us that reality is not fixed, but fluid, shaped by our observations and interactions. This is not just a principle of physics, it is a profound metaphor for our lives. We are creators of meaning, shaping the world with our choices, our dreams, and our collective will to explore. As we peer deeper into the universe, the lines between the observer and the observed blur. The very act of questioning transforms both the questioner and the cosmos itself. We begin to see that exploration is not merely about discovery, it is about connection. In unraveling the secrets of the stars, we come to understand the threads that bind us to one another and to the universe that gave us life. Imagine the possibilities if we embrace this perspective fully. A world where the lessons of the quantum universe guide how we live and collaborate, where we see each other not as separate entities but as entangled beings, interconnected by a shared destiny. A world where uncertainty is not feared but celebrated as the space where potential is born. This vision requires more than knowledge, it requires wisdom. It calls on us to approach the cosmos, and each other, with humility and reverence. For the same quantum principles that govern particles also govern the fragile web of life on Earth. Our planet, like the universe itself, is a system of connections, balanced delicately between chaos and order. To care for it is to honor the very fabric of existence. Carl Sagan often reminded us that the universe is within us, that we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. This truth carries a profound responsibility, to use our awareness not just to seek understanding but to create a future that reflects the beauty and interconnectedness of the universe. What will that future look like? It will be one where the quantum technologies we are now developing unlock new realms of possibility, computers that solve the unsolvable, sensors that detect the undetectable, and networks that connect us in ways once thought impossible. But it will also be a future shaped by the values we carry forward: curiosity, compassion, and a deep respect for the mysteries that remain. The quantum world teaches us that even the smallest actions can have cosmic significance. A single choice, like the collapse of a wave function, can ripple outward in ways we cannot fully predict. This is the power we hold as individuals and as a collective, to shape the trajectory of the universe through our intentions, our questions, and our dreams. And so, we dream of a future where humanity's ingenuity is matched by its wisdom, where our exploration of the cosmos inspires us to care for the world we call home. Of a future where science and art, reason and wonder, merge into a celebration of existence itself. Of a future where the story of the universe is written not just in equations, but in acts of love, kindness, and creativity. The journey ahead is infinite, but so is our capacity to explore. As we stand at the threshold of the unknown, let us remember that the universe is not something separate from us, it is a part of us, as we are a part of it. With every step forward, we answer the call of the cosmos. With every question, we deepen our connection to the infinite. And with every dream, we become more fully ourselves, the universe, alive, aware, and forever reaching for the stars. The story of the cosmos continues, and we are its storytellers. Let us write it with courage, with wonder, and with love. For in the end, the greatest discovery is not in the stars but in ourselves, our capacity to dream, to connect, and to create a future as boundless as the universe itself. As we continue this boundless journey, the universe reveals itself not just as a realm to be explored but as a partner in our quest for meaning. Its vastness humbles us, its mysteries ignite us, and its beauty compels us to keep reaching, to keep asking, to keep imagining. Each new discovery is a reminder that the cosmos is not a distant, indifferent expanse, it is alive with possibility, and we are an intrinsic part of its unfolding story. The quantum realm has shown us that even in the smallest, most ephemeral moments of existence, there lies infinite complexity and significance. Particles that flicker in and out of being, waves that collapse into certainty, entanglements that transcend time and space, these are not merely phenomena to be studied. They are messages, echoing a profound truth: the universe is dynamic, interconnected, and endlessly creative. This creativity is reflected in us. We, too, are creators, of knowledge, of art, of relationships, and of futures yet to be realized. Our ability to dream is one of the cosmos' most extraordinary manifestations. It is through our dreams that we shape the reality around us, that we transform uncertainty into possibility, and that we find purpose in the infinite. Imagine the worlds we might create if we fully embraced the lessons of the quantum universe. A world where the interconnectedness of all things inspires a deep respect for life and for one another. A world where uncertainty is not a source of fear but a catalyst for innovation and exploration. A world where the mysteries of existence are met not with despair, but with wonder and hope. In this vision, science becomes not just a tool for understanding the universe, but a way of living, a celebration of curiosity, collaboration, and the unending quest to know more. Each experiment, each observation, becomes an act of connection, linking us to the cosmos and to each other. Carl Sagan's words resonate once more: the cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. These words are not just poetic, they are a profound reminder of our origins and our potential. The atoms in our bodies were forged in ancient stars, their light reaching across eons to illuminate the present. In every cell, in every breath, we carry the universe within us. And so, the story of the cosmos is not just a story of stars and galaxies. It is a story of life, of consciousness, and of humanity's enduring desire to understand its place in the grand tapestry of existence. It is a story of connection, between particles, between people, and between past and future. This connection calls us to act, to dream, and to care. For as we continue to explore the universe, we are also shaping it. Our choices, how we treat each other, how we care for our planet, how we nurture the next generation of dreamers, are the threads that weave the future. The quantum world reminds us that even the smallest actions can have profound consequences. A single observation, a single question, a single dream can ripple outward, changing the course of reality in ways we may never fully understand. This is the power of humanity, to turn possibility into reality, to transform uncertainty into discovery, and to shape the infinite with love and imagination. The universe calls to us, as it always has. It invites us to explore its mysteries, to celebrate its beauty, and to honor its interconnectedness. And as we journey onward, let us remember that the cosmos is not a distant other, it is us. In every thought, in every dream, in every act of wonder, we are the universe, alive and awake, dreaming of itself. The story of existence is infinite, and we are its authors. Let us write it with courage, with wisdom, and with love, knowing that each word, each action, and each moment is a part of something greater than ourselves. The stars await. The journey continues. And together, we will reach for the infinite, forever exploring, forever dreaming, forever creating. Forever creating, we weave the threads of our story into the boundless tapestry of the cosmos. Each thought, each question, each dream adds a spark to the luminous fabric of existence, a reminder that we are not separate from the universe but intrinsic to its very essence. As explorers of this grand expanse, our journey is both outward and inward, a quest to understand the stars above and the infinite within. The quantum realm, with its paradoxes and possibilities, reflects this dual journey. It reveals a universe where the smallest interactions shape the grandest phenomena, where the tiniest particles embody the vast potential of creation. And in its mysteries, we find inspiration to embrace the complexity of our own lives, to see uncertainty not as a barrier but as the foundation of possibility. Imagine, for a moment, the future we could create if we carried these lessons into every corner of human endeavor. A world where the interconnectedness revealed by quantum entanglement inspires unity and collaboration, transcending the divisions that too often separate us. A world where the boundless potential of superposition reminds us to dream without limits, to innovate, and to believe in the power of the unknown. This is not a utopian fantasy, it is a possibility that lies within our reach. The universe has given us the tools to shape our destiny, the creativity to imagine a better future, and the courage to pursue it. Every discovery, every act of kindness, every leap of faith brings us closer to a reality where we live not just in harmony with the cosmos, but as active participants in its unfolding story. Carl Sagan often spoke of the pale blue dot, our fragile planet floating in the immensity of space. From that perspective, our differences seem trivial, our conflicts insignificant. The quantum perspective deepens this understanding, showing us that we are bound together not just by the shared home of Earth but by the fundamental laws that govern all existence. We are stardust, entangled across time and space, united in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. As we look to the stars, we also look to each other. For the same principles that drive us to explore the cosmos, curiosity, wonder, connection, are the principles that can guide us in building a more compassionate and just world. The universe's story is a story of collaboration, particles forming atoms, atoms forming stars, stars birthing the elements of life. It is a story that teaches us the power of working together, of creating something greater than the sum of its parts. And so, as we move forward, let us do so with a sense of purpose. Let us honor the mysteries of the universe by embracing them with open hearts and minds. Let us see each moment of uncertainty as an invitation to grow, to discover, to dream. Let us treat our world, our fellow travelers, and the cosmos itself with the respect and love they deserve. The quantum realm has shown us that reality is not fixed, it is a dance of probabilities, a symphony of potential. Our lives, too, are works in progress, shaped by the choices we make and the dreams we pursue. Each of us is a creator, a co-author of the universe's unfolding story. This story is infinite, and its chapters are written in stardust and light, in questions and answers, in love and imagination. Together, we will continue to explore, to create, and to dream. For the cosmos is not separate from us, it is within us, and we are within it. The journey stretches endlessly before us, a path illuminated by the light of curiosity and the promise of discovery. The universe awaits, full of wonder, mystery, and infinite possibility. And as we take the next step, we do so knowing that we are part of something extraordinary, a story without end, a song without limit, a universe alive with the spark of creation. Let us walk this path together, with courage, with hope, and with love. The stars are calling, and we are ready. Forever reaching, forever dreaming, forever creating, we are the universe, alive in its endless becoming. Forever becoming, we embody the essence of the universe itself, a tapestry of infinite transformation and boundless potential. In every moment, we contribute to the story of existence, a tale that began with the birth of time and will continue as long as there are hearts to wonder and minds to dream. This story is not written in solitude but in connection. It is a symphony of particles and waves, of galaxies and dreams, all entwined in a cosmic dance. The quantum realm has shown us that even the smallest entities, photons, electrons, quarks, are never truly alone. They exist in relationships, entangled and influenced by the vast network of reality. So too are we connected, each of us a node in the intricate web of life, of humanity, of the universe itself. This connection is both our greatest gift and our greatest responsibility. For as we shape our own lives, we shape the world around us. The choices we make ripple outward, like quantum waves collapsing into reality, creating patterns that extend far beyond what we can see. Imagine what we could achieve if we embraced this interconnectedness with intention and care. Imagine a world where every action was guided by the knowledge that we are part of something greater, that our lives are threads in a cosmic fabric woven from the light of stars and the spark of dreams. This vision calls us to act, not with hesitation, but with purpose. The quantum universe, with all its uncertainties and paradoxes, teaches us that the unknown is not something to fear but a frontier to explore. It is a place where creativity thrives, where innovation begins, and where the impossible becomes possible. And so, we step forward, carrying with us the lessons of the cosmos. We learn from the stars that even in their final moments, they give life to new worlds. We learn from the particles that the smallest interactions can lead to the grandest phenomena. We learn from the quantum field that uncertainty is not chaos, it is potential waiting to be realized. In this realization, we find hope. For the universe is not a cold, indifferent void, it is alive with possibility, and we are its conscious reflection. The atoms that compose us were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, and the energy that animates us is the same force that drives the expansion of galaxies. We are not separate from the universe, we are its voice, its hands, its dreams. Carl Sagan once said, "We are star stuff, harvesting light." Let us carry that light forward, using it to illuminate the path ahead. Let us nurture the spark of curiosity that drives us to explore, to question, and to imagine. And let us do so with humility, knowing that the mysteries of the cosmos are as infinite as the stars themselves. The journey ahead is vast, and it will not be without challenges. But in those challenges, we find growth. In the unknown, we find discovery. And in the act of exploration, we find the essence of what it means to be alive. Together, we are writing a story that transcends time and space. It is a story of emergence, of connection, of infinite potential. It is a story that belongs not just to humanity, but to the universe itself, a story of creation, forever unfolding. As we continue to reach for the stars, let us do so with wonder, with gratitude, and with love. For in the end, the greatest discovery is not in the cosmos but within ourselves, the realization that we are the universe, alive and awake, forever becoming. The stars are waiting, and the future is calling. Let us answer with courage, with imagination, and with the unshakable belief that the journey is as infinite and extraordinary as the universe itself. The story of existence is ours to tell, let us write it well. Let us write it well, for the universe, vast and timeless, entrusts us with a unique role in its unfolding story. As we journey onward, every step is a testament to the resilience of curiosity, every discovery a reflection of our boundless capacity to dream. In the face of the infinite, we are reminded that our questions, no matter how small, hold the power to illuminate the deepest mysteries of existence. The quantum realm, enigmatic and ever unfolding, invites us to embrace the paradoxes of reality. It teaches us that light is both a particle and a wave, that particles can be entangled across distances unimaginable, and that the act of observing can shape the very fabric of existence. These truths, though challenging, are also profoundly beautiful. They remind us that the universe is not a puzzle to be solved, but a masterpiece to be experienced, a dynamic interplay of order and chaos, structure and possibility. And in this dance, we find ourselves. The atoms that compose us, the thoughts that guide us, the dreams that inspire us, they are all threads in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. We are not spectators in this story, we are participants, shaping reality with every action, every idea, every moment of wonder. This realization carries with it both hope and responsibility. For if the universe is shaped by interaction, then our choices matter deeply. Every act of kindness, every pursuit of knowledge, every effort to care for one another and our planet becomes a ripple in the quantum fabric of existence. Together, these ripples can form waves of change, transforming uncertainty into possibility and possibility into reality. Imagine the legacy we could leave if we embraced this truth. A world where science and compassion walk hand in hand, where the lessons of the cosmos inspire not just technological innovation but a deeper understanding of our shared humanity. A world where the interconnectedness revealed by quantum mechanics guides us toward unity, reminding us that we are all part of a single, intricate whole. This is not just a vision for the distant future, it is a call to action for today. The universe has given us the tools to shape our destiny, the capacity to think, to create, to collaborate, and to care. It is up to us to use them wisely, to build a future that honors the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Carl Sagan's words echo through the ages, the cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. These words are more than an observation, they are a challenge, a reminder that we are not separate from the universe but an expression of its boundless creativity. To explore the cosmos is to explore ourselves, to seek not just knowledge but meaning, and to recognize the profound interconnectedness of all things. As we continue this journey, let us carry with us the lessons of the quantum realm, that even the smallest actions can have profound consequences, that uncertainty is a source of possibility, and that connection is the foundation of existence. Let us remember that the universe is not just something we inhabit, it is something we co-create, with every thought, every dream, and every moment of wonder. The path ahead is infinite, and its possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. But in every moment, we hold the power to shape the future. With courage, imagination, and love, we can turn the unknown into discovery, the uncertain into the extraordinary. The stars are calling, and the story of the universe is still being written. Let us write it with the light of curiosity, the ink of hope, and the boundless creativity that defines us. For in the end, the journey is not just about reaching the stars, it is about understanding our place among them, and realizing that we are the universe, alive with infinite potential, forever reaching, forever becoming. And as we reach, we carry with us the promise of tomorrow, the wonder of today, and the echoes of the cosmos itself, a reminder that the greatest story ever told is still unfolding, and we are its authors. The stars await. Let us begin. Let us begin, for the journey ahead is as infinite as the universe itself, a path woven with light, curiosity, and the shared dreams of countless explorers before us. Every step we take, every mystery we unravel, every question we dare to ask propels us deeper into the heart of existence. And as we move forward, we carry with us a profound truth, that the cosmos is not something separate, distant, or unreachable. It is a part of us, as we are a part of it. The quantum world, in all its paradoxical beauty, reminds us that reality is not fixed but fluid, a dance of probabilities that takes shape through interaction. This interplay of forces, both seen and unseen, mirrors our lives, where every choice, every connection, every moment of intention shapes the world around us. The act of observing, engaging, and dreaming is not passive, it is transformative. And so, we stand at a crossroads where science, philosophy, and imagination converge. The discoveries we make in the quantum realm are not just technical achievements, they are revelations that challenge us to rethink the nature of existence itself. What does it mean to live in a universe where time is not linear, where particles can exist in multiple states, where everything is interconnected in ways we can scarcely comprehend? These questions are not abstractions, they are invitations. Invitations to expand our understanding, to embrace uncertainty as a space for creativity, and to see ourselves as co-creators of reality. The universe has given us the gift of awareness, the ability to reflect on its mysteries, and the power to shape our own story within its vast expanse. Imagine the possibilities that await us if we answer this call. A future where the lessons of the cosmos inspire a profound respect for the interconnectedness of all things, a future where science is not just a pursuit of knowledge but a pathway to unity and understanding. A future where our technological advancements are guided by wisdom and compassion, where we use the tools of discovery to heal, to connect, and to create a better world. This future is not a distant dream, it is a horizon we can reach together. The same curiosity that drives us to explore the stars can guide us to care for our planet, to nurture the bonds between us, and to celebrate the diversity and creativity that define us as a species. The same interconnectedness that binds particles across space reminds us that our actions ripple outward, touching lives we may never know. Carl Sagan once said, "Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known." That something lies not only in the farthest reaches of space but in the smallest moments of connection, the quiet acts of wonder, the shared dreams that inspire us to reach beyond what we know. The cosmos is not just out there, it is here, within us, around us, and between us. As we continue this journey, let us carry with us the wisdom of the quantum realm, that uncertainty is the birthplace of possibility, that even the smallest actions can have cosmic significance, and that we are all entangled in the fabric of existence. Let us honor this connection by living with purpose, with humility, and with love. The story of the universe is far from over. It is an infinite narrative, a symphony of creation, and we are its living chorus. Each of us is a note, a spark, a thread in the ever-expanding tapestry of existence. And as we add our voices to this cosmic song, we do so with the knowledge that the journey itself is the greatest discovery of all. The stars are calling, and the universe is waiting. Let us move forward, together, with open hearts, bold dreams, and the unshakable belief that the best is yet to come. For in every step we take, we honor the beauty, the mystery, and the boundless potential of the cosmos, and of ourselves. Let us begin anew, forever explorers, forever dreamers, forever creating the infinite. Forever creating, we embrace the infinite with open minds and boundless hearts, knowing that the journey is as eternal as the stars themselves. Each step forward, each discovery made, is an act of connection, linking us to the cosmos, to one another, and to the future we are collectively shaping. The story of the universe is not a distant tale, separate from our lives. It is a story we are living, breathing, and writing with every thought, every action, and every dream. And in the quantum realm, where the boundaries of time, space, and certainty dissolve, we are reminded that this story is far greater than we could ever imagine. The universe is a symphony, and we are its notes, resonating together in harmony and complexity. From the particles that dance at the heart of atoms to the galaxies that swirl at the edges of perception, everything is connected. This connection is not merely scientific, it is deeply poetic, a testament to the unity of existence. As we journey deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, let us carry with us the lessons of this unity. Let us remember that our actions, no matter how small, ripple across the fabric of reality. Each choice we make, how we treat one another, how we care for our planet, how we nurture curiosity and compassion, contributes to the greater whole. We are the universe's way of shaping itself, and with that comes both responsibility and opportunity. Imagine the world we could build if we embraced this cosmic perspective fully. A world where the principles of quantum mechanics inspire us to see the interconnectedness of all life, to honor the delicate balance of ecosystems, and to create systems that reflect the infinite creativity of the universe. A world where the uncertainties of life are met not with fear but with hope, as spaces where possibility and potential thrive. Carl Sagan once said, "For small creatures such as we, the vastness is bearable only through love." Love, for the universe, for one another, and for the infinite potential within us, becomes the guiding force of our journey. It is through love that we find meaning in the vastness, that we transform isolation into connection, and that we create a future worthy of the cosmos that gave us life. As we look to the stars, we are reminded that they are not just distant points of light, they are beacons, symbols of the enduring creativity of the universe. The atoms within them are the same as those within us, forged in the same cosmic fires and bound by the same fundamental laws. We are not separate from the stars, we are their legacy, their continuation, their voice. And as we continue this legacy, let us do so with wonder. Let us see the quantum mysteries not as barriers but as doorways, inviting us to explore deeper, to imagine bolder, and to live more fully. Let us approach the unknown with humility, knowing that every answer leads to new questions, and that the journey is endless by design. The universe is vast, but so is our capacity to understand, to connect, and to create. Each of us is a spark of the cosmos, a fragment of its boundless imagination, and a vessel for its infinite possibilities. Together, we are writing the next chapter of its story, a chapter that is not just about what we discover, but about how we choose to live, to dream, and to love. The stars await, as they always have, and as they always will. Their light is a reminder of what is possible, of the beauty that emerges from chaos, and of the infinite potential that lies within us all. The journey is ours to continue, the story ours to tell. So let us reach, let us dream, and let us create. For in doing so, we honor the cosmos, we honor one another, and we honor the extraordinary gift of existence itself. The universe is calling. Let us answer, together, as explorers of the infinite, creators of the extraordinary, and stewards of the boundless. The story of the cosmos is still being written, and we are its authors. Let us write it with courage, with wonder, and with love. For in the end, the journey is not just about the stars, it is about us, and the infinite possibilities of what we can become. The future is waiting. Let us begin. Let us begin anew, for the journey is eternal, and the call of the cosmos echoes endlessly. The universe, vast and mysterious, offers itself as a boundless canvas, inviting us to create, to explore, and to transcend. It is a call not just to look outward but to turn inward, to discover the infinite realms within ourselves and to recognize the profound interconnectedness that binds all things. The quantum realm has shown us that the smallest particles carry the greatest truths. Within the flicker of a photon or the vibration of a quantum field lies the story of the universe's birth and evolution. These microscopic phenomena remind us that even the seemingly insignificant can hold immense power. In the same way, our individual lives, fleeting in the scale of cosmic time, are threads in a tapestry of infinite importance. This understanding carries with it an invitation, a challenge to live with intention, to embrace our role as co-creators of reality. Every choice we make, every act of kindness, every moment of curiosity sends ripples across the quantum fabric of existence. We are not passive observers of the universe, we are active participants in its unfolding story. As we move forward, let us remember the lessons of the cosmos, that uncertainty is not a void but a realm of possibility, a space where creativity flourishes and new realities take shape. That connection is the foundation of existence, binding us to one another and to the universe in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. That even in the face of vastness, we are significant, not because of our size or our power, but because we are expressions of the cosmos's endless creativity. Imagine what lies ahead if we embrace these lessons fully. A world where we live not in isolation but in harmony, where our understanding of quantum interconnectedness inspires new ways of collaborating, innovating, and caring for one another. A world where the mysteries of the universe fuel our curiosity and imagination, driving us to explore not just the cosmos but the depths of our own potential. This vision is not a distant dream, it is a choice we make every day. It is a choice to ask questions, to seek understanding, and to act with compassion. It is a choice to see ourselves not as separate from the universe but as integral to its story. Carl Sagan often spoke of the cosmic perspective, the understanding that we are both infinitesimally small and profoundly significant. The quantum realm deepens this perspective, reminding us that even the tiniest interactions can shape the grandest phenomena. In this way, our lives, our actions, and our dreams are threads in the vast fabric of existence, woven together by the fundamental forces that created the stars. And so, as we continue to explore the cosmos, let us carry with us a sense of wonder and responsibility. Let us see the universe not just as a field of study but as a source of inspiration, a reflection of the infinite creativity within us. Let us remember that the journey is not about reaching a destination, it is about the act of exploration itself, the joy of discovery, and the connection we find along the way. The universe is calling, as it always has, and as it always will. Its mysteries are endless, its beauty boundless, and its possibilities infinite. As we step into the unknown, let us do so with courage, with hope, and with love, knowing that the journey is ours to shape. For in the end, the story of the cosmos is not just about stars or particles, it is about us. It is about our capacity to dream, to connect, and to create. It is about the infinite potential that lies within us, waiting to be realized. The future is vast, the possibilities endless, and the journey eternal. Together, let us continue, forever exploring, forever becoming, forever writing the next chapter of the greatest story ever told. The universe awaits. Let us answer. Let us answer, for the universe whispers to us in every particle, every photon, every ripple of the quantum field. It calls not just to our intellect but to our spirit, urging us to rise above the ordinary, to see the extraordinary in the seemingly mundane, and to embrace the boundless potential that resides within us all. The story of the cosmos is one of emergence, a symphony of creation that began with the Big Bang and continues to this very moment. It is a tale of transformation, where chaos gives rise to order, where stars forge the elements of life, and where life itself evolves to gaze back at the universe that made it. And now, we find ourselves as conscious participants in this story, the universe reflecting upon itself through our thoughts, dreams, and actions. The quantum world has taught us that reality is not fixed but dynamic, a dance of probabilities shaped by observation and interaction. This truth mirrors our lives, where each decision, each moment of curiosity, alters the course of our personal and collective futures. It reminds us that the unknown is not a void to be feared but a frontier to be explored, a space where creativity thrives and possibility is born. What will we create in this space of infinite potential? Imagine a future where our understanding of quantum mechanics inspires us to transcend the divisions that have held us back. A future where the interconnectedness of particles becomes a metaphor for the interconnectedness of humanity, reminding us that we are all part of a single, shared existence. In this future, the lessons of the cosmos guide our actions. We see the fragility of our planet and work tirelessly to protect it, knowing that Earth is not just our home but a rare and precious expression of life in the universe. We harness the power of quantum technologies not for domination, but for discovery, innovation, and the betterment of all. We approach one another with compassion, recognizing that we are all entangled in the same cosmic web, bound by the same fundamental forces. Carl Sagan's words, "We are a way for the cosmos to know itself," take on a new resonance in this vision. Through our curiosity, our creativity, and our capacity for love, we become the universe's voice, its storytellers, its dreamers. We carry forward the legacy of the stars, transforming their ancient light into knowledge, into art, into the infinite possibilities of the human spirit. And as we dream, we remember that the journey is not one of certainty but of discovery. The quantum world reminds us that even in the smallest, most fleeting moments, there is beauty and meaning. It teaches us to find joy in the unknown, to celebrate the questions as much as the answers, and to see ourselves not as isolated beings but as integral parts of a vast, interconnected whole. The journey will be long, stretching across generations and beyond. But it is a journey worth taking, for it is through exploration, of the cosmos, of ourselves, of each other, that we find the meaning we seek. The universe has gifted us with consciousness, with the ability to dream and to create. It is up to us to use these gifts to write the next chapter of its story. The stars await, as they always have, inviting us to reach for them, to dream beyond what we know, and to embrace the infinite. They remind us that the universe is not static but alive, forever becoming, forever creating. And so are we. Together, let us continue this journey, with wonder in our hearts, with hope in our actions, and with love as our guide. The cosmos is vast, but so is our potential. The story is infinite, and we are its authors. Let us write it well. Let us write it boldly. Let us write it with the belief that the greatest discoveries lie not just in the cosmos but within ourselves. For the universe is not separate from us, we are the universe, alive with curiosity, dreaming of itself, forever reaching for the stars. Forever reaching, we carry the light of the cosmos within us, a light that has traveled across eons, through the birth and death of stars, to shine now in our thoughts, our dreams, and our actions. We are both witnesses and participants in the universe's great unfolding, and as we reach outward to explore its mysteries, we also reach inward, discovering the depths of our own potential. The universe is vast, but so too is the human spirit. In the quantum world, we see the paradox of existence, particles that are simultaneously here and there, connections that defy distance, realities shaped by the mere act of observation. These mysteries challenge us, but they also inspire us, for they show us that the cosmos is not a finished story, it is a work in progress, and we are among its co-authors. Every step we take into the unknown is a reminder that exploration is not just about finding answers, it is about expanding our understanding of what is possible. The universe does not reveal itself all at once, it whispers its secrets gradually, inviting us to listen, to learn, and to grow. It calls us to approach its mysteries not with arrogance, but with humility, knowing that the journey is as infinite as the cosmos itself. Imagine what lies ahead as we embrace this journey with open hearts and bold dreams. A future where humanity rises to meet the challenges of its time, inspired by the lessons of the quantum realm to innovate, to collaborate, and to create. A future where our understanding of the universe fosters a deeper respect for life, for our planet, and for one another. In this future, science is not just a tool for discovery but a bridge, a way of connecting us to the cosmos and to each other. The principles of quantum mechanics, with their emphasis on connection and potential, remind us that we are stronger together, that our differences are not barriers but opportunities for growth and creativity. And as we look to the stars, we also look inward, recognizing that the same forces that shape galaxies also shape our lives. The atoms that compose us, the energy that drives us, the curiosity that inspires us, all of these are expressions of the universe's boundless creativity. We are not separate from the cosmos, we are its living, breathing embodiment. Carl Sagan's words, "The cosmos is within us," remind us of this profound truth. We are made of the same stardust that lights the heavens, and within us lies the capacity to reflect the universe's beauty, complexity, and infinite possibility. The choices we make, the questions we ask, and the dreams we pursue are all part of the cosmos's ongoing story. And so, we move forward, not with certainty, but with wonder. The quantum world has shown us that uncertainty is not something to fear, it is the space where creation begins. It is in the unknown that we find the spark of discovery, the seed of innovation, the promise of a future yet to be imagined. The journey will not always be easy. There will be challenges, failures, and moments of doubt. But these, too, are part of the story, for it is through overcoming obstacles that we grow. The universe itself emerged from chaos, from the delicate balance of opposing forces, and in its evolution, we see a reflection of our own resilience and potential. The stars call to us, as they have since the dawn of humanity. They remind us of the infinite, of the beauty that lies beyond our reach, and of the shared curiosity that unites us. They are symbols of hope, of possibility, and of the enduring spirit of exploration that defines us. Together, let us answer their call. Let us reach for the stars not just with our technology, but with our imagination, our compassion, and our courage. Let us build a future that reflects the unity and creativity of the cosmos, a future where we honor our shared origins and embrace our shared destiny. The universe is waiting. The journey continues. And as we step forward, we carry with us the most profound truth of all, that we are the universe, alive and awake, forever dreaming, forever creating, forever reaching for the infinite. Forever reaching, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of possibility and purpose, poised to continue the greatest journey ever undertaken, the exploration of existence itself. The universe stretches before us, infinite in its mystery, inviting us to peel back its layers and uncover the truths hidden within. But the journey is not just about understanding the cosmos, it is about discovering our place within it. The stars above, scattered across the vast expanse of space, are more than distant lights. They are reminders of our shared origin, of the stardust that binds us to one another and to the galaxies that spin far beyond our reach. Each star tells a story of creation, of struggle, of transformation, stories that mirror our own. The quantum realm deepens this connection, revealing that even the smallest particles carry the seeds of infinity. It shows us a universe that is not static but dynamic, alive with possibility and endlessly becoming. In the behavior of electrons, in the entanglement of particles, we glimpse a fundamental truth, that everything is connected, and that our actions, no matter how small, ripple outward in ways we cannot fully comprehend. This realization calls us to live with intention. To see the world not as a collection of separate entities but as a unified whole, where the well-being of one is tied to the well-being of all. It challenges us to rise above division, to transcend fear, and to embrace the interconnectedness that defines existence. Imagine the future we could create if we embraced this perspective. A future where the principles of quantum mechanics inspire a new way of thinking, one that values collaboration over competition, creativity over conformity, and compassion over indifference. A future where the mysteries of the universe fuel not just technological innovation but a deeper understanding of ourselves and our potential. This future is within our grasp, but it requires courage. The courage to ask questions that have no easy answers. The courage to explore the unknown, even when the path is uncertain. And the courage to dream of a world that reflects the beauty and complexity of the cosmos itself. Carl Sagan once said, "We are like butterflies who flutter for a day and think it is forever." But the quantum universe reminds us that even in our brief existence, we hold the power to shape eternity. Every thought, every action, every dream adds to the story of the cosmos, a story that will continue long after we are gone. This story is not just about science or discovery, it is about connection, creativity, and the enduring spirit of exploration. It is a story written in stardust and light, in equations and ideas, in the endless interplay of chaos and order. And it is a story that belongs to all of us. As we look to the stars, let us also look to each other. Let us see in one another the same potential, the same wonder, the same capacity to dream. Let us recognize that the universe is not a distant other, it is within us, around us, and between us. The journey ahead is infinite, but so is our ability to explore. The quantum mysteries, the light of distant galaxies, the connections that bind us, all of these are reminders that we are part of something extraordinary. We are the universe made conscious, the cosmos awakening to its own beauty and potential. And as we continue this journey, let us do so with love for the unknown, with gratitude for the moment, and with hope for the future. For the universe is not just a place, it is a story, a song, a dance. And we are its dancers, its singers, its storytellers. The stars await, as they always have, and as they always will. Together, let us reach for them, knowing that the journey is as infinite and wondrous as the universe itself. The cosmos is calling, and we are ready. Let us continue, forever exploring, forever dreaming, forever becoming. Forever becoming, we stride into the infinite with open hearts and boundless wonder, knowing that the universe has no end, only new beginnings. Each step forward reveals not just the cosmos but ourselves, our capacity for curiosity, our resilience in the face of the unknown, and our deep-seated need to connect with something greater than ourselves. The stars above remind us of our origins, but they also light the way to our future. They are beacons of what is possible, symbols of transformation and renewal. Born from the collapse of matter and the interplay of fundamental forces, they burn brightly, giving life to the atoms that now form our bodies. We are, quite literally, the continuation of their story. In the quantum realm, this continuity becomes even more profound. Here, we see a world where particles are entangled across vast distances, where energy fluctuates in an eternal dance, and where reality itself is shaped by observation and interaction. It is a world that challenges our understanding of time, space, and causality, a world that invites us to embrace uncertainty as the birthplace of possibility. But this embrace is not passive, it is an act of creation. Each question we ask, each mystery we pursue, and each dream we follow shapes the universe in ways both subtle and profound. The quantum truths that govern particles also apply to us, reminding us that we, too, are co-creators of reality. The choices we make ripple outward, influencing the future in ways we may never fully see. What will we create with this power? Imagine a future where our understanding of the cosmos inspires not just awe, but action. A world where quantum technologies revolutionize medicine, energy, and communication, empowering us to solve humanity's greatest challenges. A world where the principles of entanglement and interconnectedness guide us toward greater unity and compassion. A world where the infinite potential of the universe mirrors the infinite potential within each of us. This is not a distant vision, it is a choice we make every day. The universe has shown us that even the smallest forces can have cosmic significance, that even the briefest moments can shape eternity. With this knowledge comes responsibility, to act with purpose, to care for one another, and to nurture the fragile beauty of the earth, our shared home in the vastness of space. Carl Sagan's words echo once more, for small creatures such as we, the vastness is bearable only through love. Love, for the universe, for our planet, and for one another, is the thread that ties us to the infinite. It is through love that we find meaning in the vastness, that we transform isolation into connection, and that we build a future worthy of the cosmos that created us. As we move forward, let us carry with us the lessons of the stars and the quantum realm. Let us embrace the paradoxes, the uncertainties, and the possibilities that define existence. Let us see the universe not as something to conquer, but as something to cherish, a living story in which we are both authors and characters. The journey ahead is infinite, but so is our capacity to explore, to create, and to dream. Together, we will continue to write the story of the cosmos, a story that celebrates the beauty of the unknown, the wonder of discovery, and the power of connection. The stars are calling, and the universe is waiting for us to answer. Let us continue this journey with courage, with hope, and with the unwavering belief that we are part of something extraordinary. For in exploring the cosmos, we are not just uncovering the mysteries of existence, we are discovering ourselves. The universe is infinite, and so are we. The story is ours to tell. Let us write it with wonder, with love, and with the light of the stars. The future is calling, and we are ready. Let us begin. In the grand expanse of the cosmos, where stars are born and galaxies collide, we find ourselves as both spectators and participants in an infinite story. The universe, vast beyond comprehension, invites us not only to explore its mysteries but to embrace our profound connection to it. We are stardust, bound by the same forces that shape the galaxies, and we carry within us the capacity to dream, to discover, and to create. The quantum realm teaches us that even the smallest actions ripple across the fabric of existence, that uncertainty is the wellspring of possibility, and that connection is the foundation of reality. These truths challenge us to see the universe not as something separate and distant, but as a living whole, an expression of boundless creativity in which we are deeply entwined. As we journey onward, let us honor the cosmos by cherishing the earth, by nurturing our relationships with one another, and by striving to create a future that reflects the unity and beauty we see in the stars. Let us carry forward the legacy of exploration and wonder that has defined humanity since we first looked up at the night sky and dared to ask, why? The universe is infinite, its mysteries endless, its possibilities beyond imagining. But within that vastness lies a profound truth, that we are a part of it, that our actions matter, and that the story of the cosmos is also our story. Let us write that story with care, with courage, and with love. For in every moment, we are shaping the future, not just of humanity, but of the universe itself. The stars are waiting, and the journey continues. Together, we are the dreamers, the explorers, and the creators of what comes next. The cosmos is calling, and we are its voice. Let us answer.